Hello everyone, welcome to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Gulf Bank account with a desktop. Gulf Bank is one of the largest leading banks in Kuwait with a broad offering of consumer banking, wholesale banking, treasury and financial services. If you'd like to log into your bank account online, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us in the future. Now, start by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.gulfbank.com and press enter. As soon as you end up in the official website of Gulf Coast Bank, click on the login button in the top right corner and this will bring up a pop-up. Here, you'll be able to see your account login area. Go ahead and type in your username that is associated with your bank account. Make sure to type it in correct. And now head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password for your account. Also make sure to type in the correct password if you'd like to log in without any kind of a problem. If you'd like to double check a password, then you can click on this little eye icon in the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. But if you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next, then simply click on this forgot password link. Go ahead and type in your login ID, click on submit and follow the on-screen process on the next page in order to reset to a new password for your Gulf Coast Bank account. After you type in all of the information that is needed, click on the login button in order to log into your Gulf Coast Bank account online. By logging to your online account, you'll be able to view statement, transfer money between your accounts freely, and also check your balance and transactions for your bank account. That is how you can easily log into your Gulf Bank account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.